The other thing also which is very helpful is dtype. Dtype is an attribute which is helping me to understand the type of the data. So if I have a lot of columns, I want to know each and every column, what is the type of data which is handling. Is it float, integer, string? I need to know each and every column what kind of data it's handling. So let us try to apply it now practically. So to apply it, we just need to start with a variable which is holding my data, and then I'm going to write the types and then execute. So as you can see, it is showing us float. It is showing us that the first three columns, they are float, and then after that the last one is what? It is object. Object means what? Object means string. Object means a kind of a string. Fine. So here, since we have yes and no, that's why he is showing us object. That's why he is showing us objects. And for the first three columns, as you can see, we have all what? We have all float values. We have all float. So here he is showing you the column name and the data types of that column. Now next we have info. Info is also a useful function. Let us try to apply it. Actually, info will give you a lot of details about your data. It will tell you exactly how many rows you have, how many columns you have, what is the name of your columns, each and every columns, how many data entry is available, is there any missing values or not, what is the data types, what is the size of your data which is reserved from your memory. So let us try to apply it and see what kind of things we are going to get. So applying this function is very easy. You just need to start with your variable name, and then after that dot info. After that dot info is going to return the information about your data. So let us try to use info function. Let us use info function. So to use info function, I'm going to start with data, my variable, and then after that info, and then close with normal parentheses. So let us see what it is returning. As you can see, it is returning how many entries I have. How many entries means how many rows my data is having. And this is actually the index. This is the range of index. So that is from 0 to 20. Always the index is starting with 0. It doesn't start with 1. And in total, how many columns we have? We have 4 columns. And these are the names of the columns. And for every column, how many values are there? So these are the non-null value or the existing values. I have here 19, I have here 18. So what happened is, here you can actually see if you have a missing value or not, right? Because in total I have a 21. So if I have 19, that means I have 2 missing values here. Here I have a 3, here I have 1. So immediately from here I can understand that I have some missing values. Here also we can see the memory usage. So it is almost 752, etc., etc. This is actually to get more information about our data.